How to install b2evolution from Fantastico. This tutorial assumes you've already launched the Fantastico application. Now let's learn how to install b2evolution. Click the b2evolution link here. This is the b2evolution installation screen. b2evolution is a blog script featuring multiple blogs, categories and subcategories, skins, a search function, multiple languages, and search engine-friendly URLs. Click the New Installation link here. Enter the name of the directory you want to install in, or leave this field blank for installation in the root directory. Enter an admin username and password in the following boxes. Enter the admin nickname here. Then enter an admin email address. When ready, click here to install. Click here to finish the installation. That's it! b2evolution has been successfully installed in your account and is ready for you to start configuring it. Click here to log in to your new installation. Log in using the admin username and password you assigned during installation. Your new installation is now listed here on the script's homepage. From here you can visit the site by clicking here, or remove the script from your account by clicking here. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to install b2evolution to your account from within Fantastico.